How to log in into your Zara account. So let's get started. First, open the Zara app on your device. Next, look for the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap or click on it to bring up the login page. Here, you will be able to see Register or Login option. Tap Login. Agree to the Terms and Privacy option. Now, enter your email address and password that you used while creating your Zara account. Once you have entered your details, click or tap Login and you are in. If you have trouble logging in, make sure your email is spelled correctly and check your inbox for any verification email from Zara. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Zara account and ready to browse, shop or track your order. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.